Now we're going to move on to our isosceles trapezoids for number 3 and 4. However, I do want to note on that last slide, this trapezoid was turned a little bit. My consecutive angles are actually T and Q are consecutive. These ones are my consecutive angles because they are on different parallel lines. They're not on the same parallel lines. Base angles on the same parallel lines are base angles. The ones on different parallel lines are consecutive angles. So if you got those last two wrong, be sure to be careful about T and Q being consecutive. Moving on to number 3 and 4 though, we are going to use that consecutive angle situation. I know that K and L are consecutive to each other. So if I want to figure out what angle L is, I will still solve 180 minus 83, which gives me 97 degrees. So I know angle L is 97 degrees. But when it's asking for J and M, these are actually, since it's an isosceles triangle, they have these markings here. I know that my base angles are congruent. C and D are equal to each other. And base angles are on the same parallel line. So if I'm looking at number 3, my base angle L and M are going to be equal to each other. M is also 97 degrees. At the top, I also have another pair of base angles. J and K are going to be equal to each other. J is also 83 degrees. Let's go ahead and try number 4. Number 4, let's first figure out our consecutive angle. Y is 146. What angle is consecutive to angle Y? The consecutive angle is X. So in order to figure out X, I'm going to do 180 minus 146, and that gets me 34 degrees. So angle X is 34 degrees. And then these base angles opposite of it are going to be exactly congruent to their partner base angle. So if angle Y is 146, angle Z is also 146. If X is 34, angle W is also 34. And so we can answer all 3 of these questions. So it's subtracting 180 to find your consecutive angle and then matching the base angle next to it.